Hi everyone! Today's session is about addition with regrouping. This is Teacher Angel and welcome to Math in You. The learning goals of today's topic is to add numbers with regrouping and to solve problems involving the addition of whole numbers with regrouping. Alright, but let's have a drill first on how to rename numbers in tens and ones. Let's have this one, 29. Let's try this. Yes, it's 20 plus 9. Very good. Number 2. That's right, 10 plus 7. Number 3. Correct. 45 is 40 plus 5. And number 4. Great, it's 30 plus 4. Very good. Now, children, how do we add numbers with regrouping? Right, last time we learned about addition without regrouping, right? No regrouping. So this time I will be helping you how to add numbers with regrouping. So listen, alright? Okay, let's try this first. Adding ones to a number with regrouping. Let's say we have 27 plus 6 equals n. So let's represent 27. We have 2 tens and 7 ones. Then we add 6 ones, right? So let's write 27 plus 6 in vertical form. Okay, that's it. So we add the ones. That's the first step. We add the ones. Alright, 7 and 6 ones. We have 13 ones. Now we can actually group this. We can make 110 and then 110 from 10 ones. That is what we call regrouping. We regroup when we change 10 ones for 110. And then look at the ones. How many ones are left? 3, right? So we write that in the ones column. 3 and then carry over 1 in tens place. Okay, and then the second step is to add the tens. Alright, we add the tens now. We have 1 10 plus 2 tens. That is equal to 3 tens. Very good. Now we have 3 tens and 3 ones. Alright, now let's apply this. Let's try to solve this problem using that technique. Kyla has 8 toys. Noryn has 34 toys. How many toys do they have in all? So what is our addition sentence? Yes, it's 34 plus 8. Okay, let's represent 34 using the base 10 blocks. We have 3 tens and 4 ones. And then add more 8 ones. Alright, now let's write this in vertical form. Okay, first step is add the ones. Very good. Let's add the ones, 8 and 4. So we have 12 ones and then we regroup. We can make 110, right? 110 in 10 ones. Okay, so we will now write 2. So because it's 12, 10 plus 2, right? 2 in the ones and then carry over 1 in tens place. Okay, and then our second step is, yes, we will now add the tens. So we have 1 10 and then 3 tens. That is equal to 4 tens. Very good. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens and then 1, 2, 2, 1. So it's 42. Okay, there are 42 toys. They have 42 toys in all. Alright, next. Let's try adding 2 numbers. This time, these 2 numbers are 2-digit. Okay, 2-digit number. So let's say 27 plus 16. Okay, let's represent 27, 2 tens and 7 ones. Using this, the base 10 blocks. And 16 is 110 and 6 ones. So let's write this in vertical form. So let's add the ones. That's the first step. Always we add the ones first, children, before the tens. and other places, place values. Okay, we add the ones. So 7 and 6, that is equal to 13 ones. Then we regroup. We can make 110 from 10 ones, right? Okay, so what are we going to put in the ones column? Yes, it's 3 and then carry over 1. Now let's add the tens. That's the second step now, right? So we have 1 plus 2 plus 1. That is equal to 4 tens, right? And then the answer now is 43. We have 4 tens and then 3 ones. Alright, now let's apply this in this problem. Dan has 25 bookmarks. Gab has 16 bookmarks. How many bookmarks are there altogether? What's our addition sentence? Alright, so we have 25 plus 16. Okay, so let's represent these numbers, these add-ins using the base 10 blocks. 2 tens and 5 ones plus 1 10 and 6 ones. And then write it in vertical form. Add the ones now. 5 and 6 is equal to 11 ones, right? 11 is 10 and 1, so we can regroup, right? 10 ones into 1 10. So we will now put 1 in the ones column and then carry over 1 in tens place. And what's our second step? Yes, is to add the tens. Okay, let's add the tens now. 1 plus 2 plus 1. Yes, it's equal to 4 tens. So the answer is 41. We have 4 tens and 1 ones. So they have 41 bookmarks altogether. Alright, so are you ready for practice exercises? Okay, please get your pen and paper and answer this. Okay, let's start with number 1. What is the total of 18 and 15? Okay, ready? Go! Alright, time is up. So let's add the ones first. 8 and 5 is 13. So 13, let's rename 13. 10 and 3. So we bring down 3, carry over 1. We don't put 10 as the carry over, but it's just 1, right? 110. That's the meaning of that 110. And then add the tens. Yes, it's 33. Very good. Okay, let's have the second one. What is the sum of 38 and 8? Alright, go! Alright, time is up. So let's add 8 and 8 first. So it's 16, that is 10 and 6. So we bring down 6, carry over 1 in the tens place, and add the tens. 1 and 3 is 4. Yay, it's 46. Very good. Let's have the last question. Find the sum of 29 and 13. Ready? Go! Okay, time is up. 9 and 3 is 12. That is 10 and 2. So 2 in the ones, we put in the ones, and then 10, we carry over 1 in the tens place. Alright, and then we add 1, 2, and 1. 42. Yay, that's the right answer. Very good, children. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And I hope to see you again next session. Bye! God bless you all!